So you know how to work this chainsaw right here? Now you were telling me that one smooths it out. Do you have one that cuts too? Show me how you work it.
No, that one cuts sideways. It cuts one sideways.
I see. And the one you have now is the one that smooths it out?
It's the one that scratches things and cuts one.
Show me how this one works. Let's see you work it.
This one sits by itself.
Yeah?
And I only have to push the button. And this one just makes it smooth out.
Show me how smooth it is.
And as I take this bucket out,
Yeah?
then I will be able to do the whole trim.
You're quite the construction worker.